Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 20 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Shiba Inu at number 11, followed by AVAX, TRX, Link, BCH, near MATIC, UNI, and then we'll end it with Litecoin at number 20. Let's get straight into it. Shiba Inu against USD. Okay, we are still clearly above the skinny pink line, but at the same time, this is a rising channel. Rising channels usually break lower. But I suspect we're not going to touch the skinny pink line. I suspect that we're just going to be sweeping the lows over here, right? That's my guess. So the lows over here is 2053. So under that, let's put it at 2052. You're probably going to graze 2052. And after that, come back up. That's the expectation. Because I think we're just going to sweep the lows over here. I mean, of course, we could sweep these lows as well, but we could be going dangerously close to the skinny pink line. Our preference is for Shiba Inu to stay above the skinny pink line and hopefully, eventually, reverse back up and resume its uptrend towards the upside. So as of now, yeah, we're still in the midst of consolidation. This is not a bearish reversal to me, not at the moment. Okay, we don't have a BTC pair. We're going to move on with AVAX. AVAX against BTC. Here we are for AVAX. Okay, AVAX is already under the skinny pink line. Again, something like a rising channel. Broke lower. So probably. Okay, there's something very dangerous over here. You see this support? You see this? We tapped once, tapped twice. Oh my god. If we tap a third time, oh boy. We could be dropping lower for AVAX against BTC. Against USD, AVAX already has a target towards the downside. It's under the skinny pink line. We already see weakness on the BTC pair. And we're going to assume that this is going to translate to weakness on the USD pair as well. And so for the USD pair, we have a target at $23.80. And if we were to hit target at $23.80, we're going back under the skinny pink line. Something that we do not want to see. Because when you go back under the skinny pink line, this means that potentially we could be starting a bearish trend, right? We could be switching from a bullish trend to a bearish trend for AVAX. But I suspect that this could be an outlier case where we hit targets and we could see a reversal as well for AVAX. Again, there's a noisy area over here. So my suspicion is that we will head towards the noisy area, probably around maybe $22. And after that, see some sort of a rally. So if the rally is weak, then more likely than not, this could be a continuation towards the downside. If we hit targets and the rally is strong, then yeah, more likely than not towards the upside we go for AVAX. We're probably going to go back to potentially triple digits or close to triple digits. Right now we're at 32. So yeah, we are leaning towards $23.80 as a hard target. We're probably going to overshoot it, but yeah, this is where we expect it to drop to. Tron against BTC. Here we are for Tron. Tron is right at the noisy area over here. We're very close to support. So, it's not looking good against BTC. But Tron has been in an accumulation phase for a very long time, since 2019. Right. This is the top of the resistance, bottom of the support. We have been marking around this area, right? It's a very big area, but we've been marking around here. There is no breakout at all. So this could actually, to be honest, consolidate all the way to the next cycle. The point is, it's just not really looking like it's about to break out. So yeah, there's nothing much for Tron BTC against USD. We are super overbought. If you just move on to the weekly, right, you will see that potentially, Tron could be doing something like this. So there could be a big fall coming on for Tron. On the daily, we're still above the skinny pink line. Sure, the trend is still bullish, but I already see mountains. 1, 2. If we get a third one, and if we cross it, oh, it's not going to be good. So as it stands, yeah, I preach caution for Tron. I preach caution. So it could be going lower. So be very, very careful. We're still above the skinny pink line. We respect the skinny pink line, but we are aware of the potential reversal coming on for Tron, right? I mean, sure, we could still go a little bit higher, right? Forming a higher high. But I feel the end may not be too far away for Tron. Dot against BTC. Here we are for Polkadot. Polkadot, hey, you Gavin, what are you doing? It keeps finding new lows All-time lows? All-time lows. It's like, yo, bro. When is it gonna stop? Another all-time low? Oh my god, Gavin. What's happening? Dot against USD. We are... Okay, we have a target over here. $5.20. We have been poking at the skinny pink line. Poke, poke, poke. Eventually, yeah, I think that's gonna be a very big fall towards $5. $5.20. We're probably gonna sweep the lows here and even the lows here as well. So there could be much more downside to come for Polkadot. I don't know what Gavin is doing. Gavin and gang. But it's not looking good. We're gonna fall under the skinny pink line with huge volatility. More likely than not, right? But at the same time, I can see the potential movements, right? Price action. This whole thing could also become a squeeze of sorts, right? And this could bring us into the next cycle. So maybe not this cycle, the next cycle. Then only do we see something for Polkadot. Chainlink. Oh my god, Sergey. Sergey! What's happening, Sergey? Link against BTC. Here we are for Chainlink. It's under the skinny pink line, but we're in some sort of an accumulation zone, right? We have been marking around 4,004 and about 1,009, right? In and out, up and down, up and down. Any clear signs of a reversal yet? No, right? There was potential over here, but we fell all the way back down. So yeah, there's just nothing much for Chainlink against BTC. Against USD, we've touched the skinny pink line, which is not what we want to see. But still, this is not a bearish reversal. This is not. I would assume that Chainlink will continue its path towards the upside eventually. Right, but again, Chainlink is kind of an outlier as well. There was once way back in 2021, we crossed the skinny pink line. We went back up, a get out rally before we dropped, right? So we may still cross it, but I suspect that, yeah, we could still see a strong rally. But at this point of time, no strong opinions for Chainlink. Bitcoin Cash against BTC. Here we are, more Bitcoin Cash. Against BTC, we're under the skinny pink line, right? We broke it, we failed to stay above it. Came back down, went up again, and now we're coming back down again. So are we gonna meet the fate that we have been meeting all this while? Oh my god. I don't know. Well, we could successfully get a squeeze over here, but it needs to happen first, right? Because things can still drop lower. So there's just nothing clear for Bitcoin Cash against BTC yet. Against USD, we're still above the skinny pink line, right? Yeah, we are leaning towards it continuing towards the upside. We might do a sweep though, but if you look at Bitcoin Cash's movements, right, every chart has its own personality. So this is Bitcoin Cash's personality. It always forms higher lows. It doesn't sweep the higher lows, right? It just keeps going higher, and I mean it does sweep, right? But it just forms higher lows, and it just goes along the skinny pink line. So as long as you're above the skinny pink line, for Bitcoin Cash, we remain with our bullish bias, right? It's just no bearish reversals yet. If anything, we're anticipating a continuation towards potentially 4 digits right now at 454.9. So eventually a return back towards the upside. It's probably going to coincide with BTC, but as of now, yeah, there's just nothing clear at the moment. But yeah, we're leaning towards the resume it towards the upside. Near against BTC. Here we are for near. Okay, near is still clearly above the skinny pink line. Near is still bullish against BTC, right? Yes, we are in a correction, but we're still in a bullish trend for near. So I will anticipate near to resume again towards the upside. Against USD, you see it much more clearer. Against USD, do you see this? Do you see these boys and girls? Hey. So my guess is we'll probably sweep these lows. Right, that's my guess. We'll probably sweep these lows, and then after that, we'll see a reversal back towards the upside, right? Completing an A, B, C, D, E. Pum! We break higher for near protocol. Near network. So yeah, I think that potentially we could still see it go to 14 or 15 potentially, but I still need to see the movements first, right? We might even clear these lows though. So again, no guarantees, but more likely than not, we're gonna clear $5.71. We're at 624. No hard targets. All we are assuming is that the whales, right, are gonna clear and suck liquidity from all the stop losses that's at this little weak over here. So yeah, near more likely than not is going back higher. MATIC against BTC. Here we go for MATIC. MATIC against BTC. Yo, bro. What's happening? We're probably gonna head towards the noisy area over here, right? We're slowly crawling lower. Sandeep, what's happening, Sandeep? That would be around sub 700. We're at 900 right now, so probably another 20% plus for MATIC BTC, and this is probably gonna translate to the same thing for MATIC against USD. Ta-da! We have a target fresh out of the oven at 54 cents. We are hoping for this noisy area to hold, right? And also MATIC is in a sort of a rising channel, yeah. So we're anticipating it to continue lower towards 54 cents. 54 cents, more likely than not, going to clear these lows. And if this noisy area doesn't hold, we're probably going to clear these lows over here, which will bring us towards 41 cents. So we'll see how it goes first though. If this low holds, then great. We should see some sort of a strong rally back up. If it doesn't hold, we're going to drop towards 41 cents. So for now, we look at 54 cents first. Previously, it was a very nice, we saw a very nice, right? A very nice, okay, let's just go back to the past. A very nice ABCD, right? But of course, you rarely get a 10-10 textbook chart pattern that works out wonderfully as you would expect it to. Rarely, right? So this was really, really good ABCD. Very high quality. We were expecting a breakout, right? And it goes to the moon. But yeah, but it didn't happen. So again, it's just too perfect though. It's just too perfect. So the wheels needed to, needed to, you know, take it out of its perfection for a while and trap everybody. So anybody who had a stop loss over here would have been taken out. Bam! Yeah, again, at this point of time, 54 cents. But at the same time, this also looks like a mountain range. So yeah, but it's just a double mountain. It's not exactly dead bearish, right? If we were to drop all the way down and we form mountains over here, then yes, MATIC could be in deep trouble. Some deep, but at this point, no, I don't think so. At most, I think we're just gonna sweep this, and then there should be a strong reaction back towards the upside for MATIC. Next would be Uniswap. Hayden, what's up, Hayden? Uni against BTC. Here we are for Uniswap. We're still in a downtrend under the skinny pink line against the BTC pair, against the USD pair. We still have our $25 target. We're still anticipating a continuation back towards the upside. Yes, BTC has been dropping, but Uniswap has not been collapsing, right? It's been pretty strong though so far. So if anything, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reconsolidate, continue higher. We did touch the skinny pink line though, but we didn't close a full candle under it, right? It just wick, hit it, bam, bounce hard. So yeah, $25 is still in the cuts for Uniswap. Litecoin, hey you Charlie, what is happening to Litecoin? Okay, bro. It's a new all-time low against BTC. Welcome to the gates of hell. So I don't know what Charlie is doing. Doesn't seem like there's any innovation in Litecoin. It just keeps dropping lower and lower and lower and lower. Against the USD pair, we still have our target that we've acquired way back in October 2023. This still looks like a potential, yeah, mountain range. You see this? Oh my god. Towards $32. Could this turn bullish? Yes. You can view this from either bullish or bearish lenses, right? You can also pull another resistance line across and call this an ABCDE kind of a chart pattern, right? This could happen as well. But if you look at the BTC pair, right, Litecoin is crazy weak. So I'd advise going for a long for Litecoin. If anything, I think it's a drop towards $32. So yeah, we're still sticking by our target for Litecoin. Alright, boys and girls, I guess that's it for our top 20. And if you have yet to check out the top 10, go do it now. See you in the next one.